Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I am an official member of Forex BD. Today I have came up with a new topic for you for which many traders are constantly requesting us to give a video on how to do analysis in the TradingView app with mobile phone. Let me say at the beginning that you can easily do market analysis through TradingView app because here you will find different type of tools and different type of indicator that will help you a lot to do market analysis which is not available in MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So many people have requested to give a video about TradingView app because many people don't have laptop or many people have a laptop but due to being out at different time we have to analyze it with mobile phone. So today's video we will discuss in details about the TradingView app so that you can easily trade by doing market analysis, and those who want to know the details about mobile trading follow this playlist of Forex BD. Here are all kinds of video about mobile trading, how to set up moving average, how to place a pending order with mobile. You will get everything in this playlist, and I will request the well-wisher of Forex BD, please subscribe Forex BD's another new channel. Here you will find awesome videos for you, and those who don't subscribe our Forex BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. TradingView is a very popular site in Forex. Through this site you will find good tools and indicator for doing market analysis. There are many tools and indicator that are paid version, but you will get enough indicator for free so you can easily do market analysis. Professional trader and majority percent trader do market analysis through TradingView. Moreover, brokers sometimes make fake candles in the market, which is not easily understand but can be easily understood through TradingView app. We have already given a video on how to analyze the market using TradingView on laptop. Today I will show you how to use this app on mobile. First, you download the TradingView app from the Play Store. Then open that app. Then if you don't have an account, go to the sign up option and create an account in the TradingView app. And if you have an account, log in with your ID and password. You can create an account or log in by going to the profile option here, or you can log in with Facebook or Gmail if you want. After logging in, the first option you see here is the watch list. This is the list of currencies. Here you will see pairs of different currencies. If you want to add a new currency, you can add a new currency by clicking on this plus sign and then searching. Then there is the chart. You can see it's beautifully arranged here. MetaTrader 4 or 5 is messy at the beginning, but here you can see it all in a beautiful way. Here you can see the text Euro USD. Here you can click and then search to bring more currency in a new way. The next is the time frame option. Here you will get time from 1 second to 1 month, so you can analyze whatever you like. Then it's the option of chart, candlestick chart, bar chart, line chart. You can see all this chart. Then there is the indicator. Here you will find many different types of effective indicator, as many trade by following the candlestick pattern, but it's not possible to remember so many candlestick in real time. So there are many indicators through which you can easily recognize those candlestick pattern, but here are the paid version, which means you have to pay to buy this indicator. Then you can see a lot of tools for analysis by serial here. If you click on this option here, you will get many tools for analysis. You will get everything like trend line, info line, triangle. Then you will find rectangle tool, brush tool, triangle tool, everything. Click on whatever you need. In other words, if you like the trend line, then click on the trend line. Then once you click on the chart, it will be drawn. Then you can drag it and put it in the place you want or need, just the way you see it on the screen. If you want to change the color of the trend line, you can do so. You can change your color by clicking on the color option. And many are regularly asking the Forex BD official team how to get Forex signal. The Forex BD team is now working with a group where several group admins provide the signal. If you want, you must first see the free signal, understood, then join. Hopefully all Forex traders have already understood the importance of Forex BD's 10 pips, 20 pips SL based signal. since many group admin traders are providing the signal, I would personally request you to apply less SL signal. Forex BD only work in this group, not the owner of this group. So any mistake in future, Forex BD is not responsible in any way. So be sure to check the free signal first. If you like, then join and work on low SL based signal. Moreover, if you want, you can make it thicker and thinner. So you can change the color and you can make it thicker or thinner. Moreover, you can use many more to do market analysis. If you want to delete anything, you can do so. You can see delete option here. So you can delete if you want. Here are the options to zoom in or out. You can easily analyze the market with mobile through this TradingView app. So viewers, this is the use of TradingView app. If you want, you can easily install it on your mobile and do market analysis. If you want to know something new or if you don't understand something, you can feel free to comment. Forex BD will try its best to be by your side. And before I go, I will say that you must use the link of Forex BD. Use Forex BD's link when you have an account anywhere. Now many people may ask the question, what is the benefit of having an account by Forex BD's link? Of course, if you have an account through a link, you will get many benefits. In order to make a good profit, you must trade in a good broker house because there are many spread and fees in market maker broker house. We are suggesting some good broker. You must have an account of this from the link provided in the description of this video. First and best one of the good broker in the world with 0 pips spread and 100% ratio is IC Markets. Second best broker with strong platform TechMill. Third, fourth and fifth best broker house link are given in the description of this video. Create your account in all these Forex broker together. Verify the account by submitting the same documents. These Forex brokers are one of the best Forex brokers we have seen. So open your account together with this broker and verify it, keeping in mind the future. Work on the one that will be verified fast. For account safety and to solve any problem in the future, it's necessary to have an account with strong reference. If you have any problem in future, Forex BD will sincerely cooperate to solve it with sincerity. If you create Skrill and Nettler account through the link of Forex BD, you can verify account without any deposit and you can get easily VIP status account. And for those who want to deposit in Forex through the bank, they should contact Forex BD's WhatsApp number. In that case, of course, your account must be under the referral link of Forex BD. So of course, create account from the link given in the description so that Forex BD can be part of your Forex career by your side. And in this video, if we get 500 likes and comment, Forex BD will try best to give you many more good videos. And I will bring you all the new updates about Forex so that Forex become much easier for everyone. So like, comment and share this video. If we get your support, we will make new videos and update for you. So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. Forex BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.